Hello everyone, today is March 26, 2013, and today, the legalities of the Defense of Marriage Act is currently being brought before the Supreme Court. And yesterday, Tuesday, March 26, is when the legalities of Prop 8, or Proposition 8, was brought before the Supreme Court. So that's why I'm wearing my red and got the no hate on my face and got my lovely rainbow Live Proud bracelet on because, oh, so much equality. Oh, and there have been all these pictures on Twitter and Facebook and whatever, like, oh, I wish that I could be in Washington, D.C. right now because so much stuff is happening. Oh, it looks like so much fun. But I'm a theater major, so here I am. I can't actually go out and do stuff because I have rehearsals in classes. So instead, what I decided to do is raid Twitter, first of all, which I've done, and reminded everyone to wear red. And I'm going to make a video about it, because the world just needs one more video telling the world that we should have the same equal rights as straight people, that it's not right that two straight people can go to Las Vegas and get hitched in a matter of seconds in some drunken state or whatever, but we, that a consenting pair of same-sex, a same-sex couple can't have the same rights as them. It's just completely unfair, and it's awful that, people are using the Bible to suppress people. It's like, I've heard it once said, it's like going on a diet and saying that someone else can't eat something that you decided not to eat. You should respect that the people do not have the same value system that you do. And I can respect, that you're Christian, or which seems to be, the biggest argument against, allowing same-sex couples to get married. But you can't hold someone else up to those same standards, or at least, if you are going to do it, you can't also say that there's a separation of church and state, seriously, people. But honestly, I think a very important thing to mention, something that I thought of yesterday, actually, the issue here actually isn't so much love. Love exists now, and will exist whether or not this thing becomes a real thing and the same-sex couples are allowed to get married. Love will exist even if marriage doesn't, because, love strives through all things. And there are people in committed relationships right now who aren't married, straight, gay, but they're still committed to each other, and they still love each other very much, but they aren't necessarily married. The reason why we want to be married is because we want to be able to state in paper what we already feel towards the other person, mentally and emotionally and physically and spiritually. We want to be able to receive the same respect that married straight couples already receive. We want to be able to see our dying loved ones in the hospital and not be told, oh, well, only immediate family, because we're not allowed to see them because we don't have the legalities of being a married couple. We want to be able to have custody of the children that we've helped raise, and not have the government say, oh, well, but you weren't married in law, so this child is not officially yours. We just want the same things that straight people have, and it's currently unfair. It's currently it's unjust, and hopefully what will happen in however long it takes for them to reach whatever decision they come to, hopefully it will, finally shed some light on that and help people realize that it's about equality. It's about everyone getting their fair share, and everyone being able just to love who it is they want to love, without their government saying that they won't recognize it. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. Since I sing in all my videos, I guess I'll sing for this one too. If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow, why, oh, why can't